What's the meaning of circumflex? Circumflex. Circumflex.
Circumflex. Circumflex. A circumflex is a diacritic mark, caret, placed over vowels or consonants in certain languages, including French and Portuguese. It is usually used to indicate a change in pronunciation, such as distinguishing between homonyms or indicating stress. In some cases, the circumflex indicates the presence of a historical letter that has since been dropped from the word, e.g. hotel from hostel. Overall, the circumflex serves as an important tool for accurately representing spoken language in written form.